Photojournalist Association of Bengaluru (PJAB) recently amazed photography enthusiasts with their annual exhibition titled Frozen Memories 2023 at the Karnataka Chitrakala Parishad. The exhibition featured a stunning collection of 150 photos taken by 75 talented photojournalists from various publishing houses. The subjects covered a wide spectrum including politics, sport news, human interest, wildlife, nature, architecture, aviation, comical topics and historic events. The exhibition was inaugurated by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, Minister of Transport Ramalinga Reddy and SP Dayananda of TS Max at the D. Devraj Urs Gallery. It's open to the public from Thursday, August 31st to Saturday, September 2nd between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. The exhibition sheds light on the different aspects, harsh realities and ups and downs of modern society.
Namaskara. Photojournalist Association of Bangalore is celebrating their 25th year of celebration, and this photo exhibition Frozen Memories is our flagship event which we conduct every year. But yes, during the pandemic we couldn't conduct the exhibition, but this year we are exhibiting it's around 150 pictures of all our photojournalist members, and this exhibition will be for 3 days. The first day today CM inaugurated our exhibition and he liked most of the pictures. So the same way the photojournalist life, it's not easy, as you know that we face many challenges, like to reach spot on the time, to transmit pictures on the time. I request all the people who really love the art of photography, come see our work. I'm sure that you will be delighted to see this exhibition, because this exhibition is a unique one. You will see the fashion, you will see the sports, you will see the civic problems, you will see the festivals. So this kind of exhibition is very unique. Please do come, bless us. And this event is going for September 1st and September 2. Please do come.